Are you standing at the crossroads of a career change and wondering if the grass is greener working for a corporate world rather than audit? Hi, my name is Alysha Randall. I am a portfolio CFO, and today I'm going to look at the structured world of audit and then to startups and scale ups and the rapid business growth, the comparison and then switching from one to the other. So many of you in the audit world would have lots of experience and potentially have financial directorship or even a CFO seat in your hands. And it all starts with leveraging your audit background and the experience that you have managed to accumulate over your time within audit. So picture this, you've honed your skills in audit, you've mastered every detail, you've led teams, you've strategized over stacks of financial statements. And these experiences, they're not just milestones, but essentially they're like stepping stones to being able to help a business and being able to impact a business, and therefore switching from audit to corporate. So your experience is already packed with loads of skills that are much more powerful than you might realize. So communication, project management, critical thinking, these aren't just buzzwords, but they're actually skills that you really need for financial leadership roles. So the question looms, where to next? When you've been in audit for a while, you've decided that you don't want to become an audit partner, you want to move away from a firm, where do you go? So do you look at financial analyst roles in a corporate giant? Or maybe you're thinking about leading a finance team in a disruptive startup or scale up. So the paths are many, but the skills that you have got can really open a lot of doors. So if you're looking to lead a finance department that's defining the pace of innovation, don't let that change intimidate you. Yes, it's a leap from audit to corporate finance, but past focus to forward thinking, from verification to strategic vision. So it's quite an interesting change. In corporate finance, it's about forecasting trends, shaping strategies, and presenting the kind of financial stories that will propel the businesses into the future. So be prepared though. You really know a good structure and a really well documented way of working with audit. Moving from audit to startups and scale ups, chaos is actually the new norm. And so you really need to be flexible and agile. That is the biggest change. However, relationships here are a really long-term investment. And so your ability to communicate across departments become really crucial as much, as the same or if not even more with your financial knowledge. So never underestimate the power of networking. It's a world where, a simple handshake can open up the door to a really big opportunity. So the next one is continuous learning. This is non-negotiable. So whether it's a CFA, decide to take on, a structured course, a bespoke course like our Financial Leadership Foundations for new or aspiring CFOs in scale-ups or startups, or just staying intellectually curious, it's all about staying relevant and well-equipped. So take that audit experience, a little bit of courage, and embrace the exciting worlds of startups and scale-ups and high-speed growth. So join me as we look deeper into this transition, actionable insights, and practical advice. You can either hit subscribe or take a look at all of the resources down below that will help you with that transition from audit to industry a little bit smoother. Cheers.